Here we go, tteokbokki. Some of our subscribers keep asking how to make one. I think most Koreans just having it at street carts or market stores instead of making at home. Like other types of popular food, tteokbokki went through the various regions. But I prepared classic version with ramen sari, which is a noodle in English. Piquant, red, gochujang based tteokbokki with ramen sari. It is a legend. Today's recipe is a little bit complicated, but just to follow the screen, you will be able to taste the legendary Korean food at where you're staying now.